Gonna kill this hoe, man. Gonna. Kill this hoe, man.
Damn, the blood.
Man, blood, get on this hoe. From blood, get on this hoe. Come on, bitch, get on this hoe.
Damn, I look bad and shit.
Shit. Man, east side. Fuck. Get on this hoe.
What you want that hoe be about, blood?
Man, get on these hoes' ass. Hoes these niggas, man. Let them have it, man. Fuck it.
Fuck it. R.I.P. Lil Snoop.
R.I.P. Lil Snoop, man.
First off on these miss-ass bitches. Instagram, Facebook, flexing their bitches. They be talking like they got it and they out here on their shit. And the nigga got some money, they be on that nigga dick. Got about 3 to 4 kids, food stamps are getting wick. He ain't on no Section 8, so you be fucking for your rent. When the nigga doing bad on his ass, they don't know you. Tryna hit the pussy, they act like they never showed you. See her out in public with some other niggas fucking, being all these niggas spot. Hopping in and out of buckets, yeah, your internet famous and all the niggas like you. No, you're not the type to do what a wife do. Bitches money hungry, they be thinking that they jazzy. Chasing any nigga that they see around flashing. I don't give a fuck, I'ma let these bitches have it. Be flexing in the streets and they know they house nasty. Tired of these sneaky ass, slutty ass stank hoe. Only fucking with you when they know you got a bankroll. See a nigga guapped up, they wanna be your friend now. Fucking you and sucking you and now they got their hand out. Want you to hand out, cause they know you're strong and they know you got them bands. Many bitches got it planned out. Gonna never let them bitches put them in a poor pit. I only fuck with bitches that get money, fuck the bullshit. Take it for the fake ass nigga one play. Make a real nigga put you in your motherfucking place. Nigga tryna grow some ball. We got bitches cut your nuts out. Playing with my niggas in the hood and get you fucked off. All this click claiming got these young niggas fucked up. It's some real niggas out here that'll get you touched up. Better pick your nuts up and play this shit cool. Cause a nigga bound to put you in your niggas on the news. And these niggas playing with guns so they thinking they got power. But they scared to fight, they some motherfucking cowards. You keep them niggas with you and you never by yourself. Know a nigga run up on you, you gon' need them niggas help. Stop that internet bumping, cause my niggas go the dumb way. Quick to beat a nigga ass and ready for the gunplay. We don't give a fuck, no we gotta die one day. Or do a nigga Monday, they gon' find him till it's Sunday. Stunning to these bitches, yeah you tatty smoking blunt. Half for you niggas, gay you niggas, undercover punk. Hot side to these bitches like you always fuck a nigga hoe. But your faggot ass really fucking with. Yeah, say.